Ang gaganda ng bahay, oh. Grabe. Yan, ganyan dito. Monday is pick up ng basura, kaya ang daming mga garbage bins sa labas. Yan. Tingnan nyo naman guys, oh. Wow. Nak, we will make a left turn here. Do you want or what?
Right.
We're going right? Okay, ikaw boss ang masusunod. Magra-right daw kami ng aking anak. Napagod na sa kakalakad. Ngayon ko lang naman naglakad eh. Nang ganito kalayo. It's okay.
Is that Queensway? I forgot.
Which one? Yeah, it's Queensway. Why?
Oh, I want to go that way.
No, not yet.
Someone's bike? E-bike.
Where? It's fine. Let's go on that side, on that way. No, that's Queensway, anak.
I want to go that way.
Oh my goodness. Alright. Ang luwag ng kalsada dito, guys. Ito mga residential area to, pero tingnan mo naman ang kalsada. Ang linis, 'di ba? Sana all. Ganda ng kahoy, oh. Parang naka-ready na, guys. Nakabuka ka. Joke. Sana tuloy-tuloy na yung weather na ganito. Para
There's a sidewalk here.
para araw-araw makapag walking. And yun,